Hello kids! Today we are going to learn the A to Z alphabet with toys. Let's begin. A is for airplane, flying high in the sky. B is for ball. Can you bounce with me? C is for car. Let's go for a ride. D is for doll. She is so cute and pretty. E is for elephant, a big toy with long trunk. F is for fire truck. Let's save the day. G is for guitar. Drum, let's play music. H is for helicopter. Fin, spin, flying round and round. I is for ice cream. Yummy and sweet, what a treat. J is for jeep. Let's drive through the jungle. K is for kite. Fly high in the sky, up, up. L is for lion. Roar, the king of the jungle toy. M is for monkey. Swing, swing, cheeky little toy. N is for nest. Birds live here, tweet, tweet. O is for orange. A round and juicy fruit toy. P is for penguin. Waddle, waddle, cool toy from the ice. Q is for queen. She wears a shiny crown. R is for robot. Beep, beep, talking toy machine. S is for ship. Sail away across the sea. T is for train. Choo choo. Let's ride together. U is for umbrella. Open wide, no rain today. V is for van. Let's go for a trip. W is for watch. Tick-tock, what's the time? X is for xylophone. Ding dong, play the music. Y is for yo-yo. Up and down, spin around. Z is for zebra. Black and white stripes, run fast. Yay! You learned all the letters from A to Z with toys. Great job, kids! See you next time.